this video, we are going to talk about the how we can change the inner HTML through the JavaScript, and also how we can change the attribute value through the JavaScript, and also we'll say about the how we can give the style to the HTML element using the JavaScript. First of all, let's create here the new file, right? I'm giving the file name as jsexample.html, and I want to just save this file. And after saving this file, I just want to use the boilerplates from here, and I want to save this document into the, we'll see here the inner HTML, how we can change the inner HTML, and then the attribute value, attribute value. Then also we'll see about the style in how we can give the style using the JavaScript to the HTML document, right? At first, just go to the inside the body tag, and I will create here the one paragraph, and I will give the ID name as demo. And if I write here some text, this is my paragraphs paragraph. And if I want to run this code, then just click on the Go Live options. I'm clicking on the Go Live options, and this code is running here. Now you got here this is my paragraph as the output, right? And this is my output. So this is a simple way to the print out, or you can say the display the message to the browser using the HTML. But if I remove this text from here, and if I want to give the internal inner HTML using the JavaScript, then I can create here the one button, beauty2 and button, and then the button type equal to button. And if I click on the button, then I have to use here the on-click event. And if I click on the button, then I will use the document.getElement by ID. This method will get the ID of HTML element, and our ID name is demo here. So I have to use the demo as the ID name. And if I want to change the inner HTML, then I have to write here the inner HTML equal to what I want to put here. Again, I want to put this is my paragraphs paragraph, right? And if I save this code, and if I go to the browser, and this is the button, but I'm not given here the button name. I have to give the button name also. First of all, I want to overwrap this text so that I do not need to scroll horizontally. I want to write here the click me as the click me as the button name. And if I click on the button, now I got this message. This is my paragraph. But you can see here, nothing is provided here. But when I click on the button, then this is a paragraph message is over display there, right? So this is the way where in this way you can display the inner HTML message using the JavaScript. You can display the whatever you want according to your requirement during the creation of the website. So this is not a rocket science. This is not a difficult things. We are just using the button tag, and we are using the on-click attribute here. And if I click on the button, then document, this is our object name, and get element by ID is one of our method name inside the document object, and demo, this is access the ID name. And if I got the ID name, then I can get this whole p tag here, and I want to change this inner HTML of the paragraph tag. So I want to put this is my paragraph is the inner text of the paragraph tag, and I'm giving the message as click me. Okay. In this way, you can change the inner HTML. If I want to put inside the comment section so that you don't get any confused here. So I'm putting inside the comment section by pressing Ctrl K and C. After that, I want to show you how we can change the attribute value, right? So first of all, again, just make the paragraph tag or any tag you want, but I'm using here the image tag. Image, and then the src image src equal to, I have one image that is light of image, right? This is my one of the image, and I just want to go to the browser. I got this image here. This is my image, right? Okay, first of all, let's create here the one button, and then the type equal to button. And also if I click on the button, then on click event equal to document.getElement by ID. And our ID name is ID equal to demo. This is my ID name I have given to the image tag. And if I put this is the demo inside a single quotation, because we are putting the double quotation outside, and src equal to, I have to give the image name here. I have the image name as light. Okay. Light name as, okay, js, okay, light on dot jpg, ligst light on dot jpg. This is my image name. And if I click here the light on button name as light on, and if I click on the light on, this light is on here. And if I want to put the light off also, then I can just copy paste this code from here, and I'm pasting here, and I'm changing this light on into the ligst, okay, light, and then the off dot png, and also I want to change light off message. And if I click on the light on, and if I click on the light off, now light off and light on is working here, right? Light on and light off. This image size is not similar, so it shows some differences here. But in this way, you can change the attribute of the HTML element using the JavaScript. After that, we'll see about, we can give the style to the HTML element. So first of all, again, I want to put inside this comment section. And again, okay, this is also button, and I just want to put inside this comment section. And after that, okay, I'm creating here again p tag and the id equal to demo. And I just want to give the message, this is my paragraph again, graphs paragraph. And if I want to change this font size, okay, if I want to give the any style to this font size, font weight, or color, or anything else, then I can again create here the button, and button type equal to button, and then the on click, if I create here the on click equal to, I want to give the style to this paragraph element, right? So first of all, I can write here document dot get element by id, and our id name is just demo, and then just demo dot, okay, inner HTML or not inner HTML, style dot font size, and if I provide the font size equal to, I'm writing here just 30 pixel, right? And if I keep the message as repeat me to change font size, and if I go to the browser, and if I click on this button, now this font size is changed. Default it gets the 16 pixel, and now it's changed into the 30 pixel, right? And this is changed into the 30 pixel. So in this way, you can change the font size, or you can set the style. And also, if you want to change the not only the font size, if you want to change the font weight, right? Font weight, as you can give here the message as bold. And if I go to again the browser, and if I click here, now this is changed into the bold text. So in this way, you can change the style, and also you can change the attribute value, and also you can change the inner HTML using the JavaScript. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.